Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the Sea Slug in Heartopia for the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. So basically, you'll need to either join or start an event. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting what it's called. The Neritic Shoal Event. Like, what even is that? Sorry, that's like a new word for even me. And basically you're going to pop bubbles, and this is it's very important you do this. You have to pop bubbles every single time they appear, and your friends have to do it too if there are a lot of people in the event, or else it won't trigger the second phase, which is where the sea slug is going to be. It's only going to be in that phase. So make sure you keep popping bubbles, and then here I just triggered the second phase thanks to my friend. So after you're done popping bubbles, after the second phase start, you're just going to start fishing and you'll get the sea slugs eventually. And yeah, that is how you can get the sea slugs. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.